Welcome back, everyone. Check it out. What do you think? This is how you wrap a car or mask a car. Pre-paint. And yep, I drew the symbol. This is the Honda, just in case if you don't know. You can clearly tell that I've designed the masking in a way where I can just pop the hood, light switch on, everything works just fine, simply because I needed it to be movable. So I don't want to wrap it in a way or mask it in a way where I can't move it. Everything is sealed, so this is the area where we need to paint clear, basically. And everything else is perfectly covered, even the key. Yep. Wheels covered, everything is in a perfect order. And check it out. Yep, this is the rear bumper. Mock fit, mind you, it's not installed properly, but you can clearly tell. Let's line up pretty good, and you see the difference? This with clear, this one without clear, so you can see the shine. And this is without any polish whatsoever. In the back, I even covered all the holes so that no excess or overspray clear gets inside. Mind you, it's just clear, but still, even the spoiler light. And I've sanded this one, now it's smooth. All what we need to do now is wax, grease, remove any dirt, get it prepped, and hopefully we'll be able to paint it clear and you'll see more shine than what is shining now. But dude, I love what I'm doing. I like how it looks. Man. Anyways, next clip is gonna be painted. You know how it is. I'm gonna use the compressor because clear lays on better with the compressor, basically, and smoother. So I'll do that. I've got enough paint, I've got enough thinner, I've got pretty much everything that I need. Just I need to find the perfect timing in order to do that. Sweet. As promised. There you go. Painted and done, and you can see the shine. See, look at it. Yep. Now you can see both sides are actually painted and clear, and now there's a shine all over the place. Next step, it definitely needs a quick polish just to bring it up to spec. It's already been a week since we painted it, so technically we can go ahead and polish, because some areas you can feel it's a bit rough. Mind you, don't worry about this, this is just sand. Well, it's not sand, it's basically overspray, just dust, and plus it's been sitting here for some time. But look at the shine, can you see? Not bad. Everything is painted. There you go. Everything. And this is from the other side. Now the aim is we need to polish, but I'm gonna start with the doors first, simply because, or this area, let's just say, because I need to install the mirror in order to button up the inside. So at least these sections I need to do them whilst I got the car over here. It'll be easier for me to put the cards and everything. So easy. Here's what I'm gonna go with. And yes, I'm going way aggressive. ChemicalGuys, clear cut. This is the good stuff. This is basically paint correction as well, so it's not just polish. This is the heavy one. If you want something easier or lighter, I think there is something called C3. Just get the C3. This is the C4. So I'm going with that. A bit of a dab and carry on with that. So let's finish an area. I'll show you how it's going to look like. Cool. All right. Progress report. To add to my arsenal, so I've got the clear cut, I've got the butter wet wax, and I've got this mirror finish. There's a certain order, so I think you start with this one, then this one, then this one. But like, it may not apply in our condition. You can clearly see that we're already started, and you can see the blemishes. That indicates that I've already gave it a pass. So see, all this area has already been polished, and it needs wash in order to see the actual reflection, but you can clearly see, look, see the difference? See how it shines? And this is just dirty as well. But overall, we're making a progress. Now mind you, the more you polish, the more you use the DA on it, the better and shinier it gets. But to me, I just need to make a one quick pass to ensure that I can put the trims, put the mirror, put everything back, at least to button it up. And of course this one, put the tail lights, put the bumper, and the whole shebang. This area I haven't even started yet, like I barely started here, but the aim is to complete that section and the roof. Not bad job, not bad. It's not going to be perfect, it's not going to be a showroom kind of looking car, but at least it's rust free, it's treated, and it looks nice. So there's that.
A few moments later.
I may have gone overboard. I polished the whole car, well, as much as I can, and gave it a quick wash because I don't want the polish compound to remain on the car. But yeah, now I'm just gonna let it drip, and after that we'll dry it out and apply some more products in order to clean it up. But check it out, check the beads, how the beads on it. I would say we've done a pretty good job. Time for a quick break whilst this one drips. Then after that, we'll dry it out and I'll show you the final product.
I keep my heart protected. There's a fence around it. Ain't nobody breaking down my wall. My heart protected. There's a fence around it. Ain't nobody breaking down my wall. I keep my
What do you think? Clean, shiny, beautiful. Look at the back. Everything is clean. And even the trunk. Look at this shine. Everything. Everything. It could use another polish though, just to be clear. But can't be bothered. Time to put some trims back. Now, it's been a while since we took them, so always check. Quick tip, look at it. Look how the plastic in the middle, it's actually not in the middle, it's almost to the up. So there is this, which means this is where we need to be. All what you need to do is just fairly easy, lining up to the hole that it needs to get in, and basically clip it. There you go. And this one. Then, where did I leave my screw? There it is. We just screw it in place. And that's the screw. Apologies for my fingers, it's just kind of hard to do it with one hand, but yep, there you go. Let me just switch the camera hand, and look, see, it's pulling it back into place, and that's it. That is pretty much it. Look at the shine, man. Ta-da! We'll still need to put some other stuff. We've got the seal that needs to go over here. I've already got it. We need to put the mirrors. Then we need to put the trim. So let's get on with it. Easy. Just put them on and the opposite way as we took them out. Let me button it up and I'll show you how it's gonna look. Cool. Notice anything different? Yep. We've installed the bumper. Final install. It's not going anywhere. Even the plate holder, the lights for the plate, bolted properly and lines up perfect. And even the mud flap done. What else? The other side also done. There you go. And check it out. We've even got the mirror installed, the trim to the other side, and the door card. both sides. Car is getting done. This is a really sight for a sore eye. There you go. That's it. Look at this color. I polished this one at one point, but I might actually need to polish it again. Wait until we put the lights. Time to wrap up for the day. If you like what you see, stick around, because next episode I think is going to be even more awesome. Until then, you take care of yourself, okay? Yalla.